I just wanted to let you know that we have an information table set up over here on the side of the bandshell, the current bandshell, to talk with lots of information about the bandshell project, the Friends of the Bandshell Park Incorporated. We've got sheets that have the concept designs and the floor plans and all the various views of the proposed building, or at least the first design. We've got a lot of sheets for donating. You can take this home and send us a donation, or you can walk over and set your money in the basket. We also have informational brochures and all kinds of information, and besides that, we're very friendly people, so come over and talk to us after or before or whenever and learn more about it. And if you're interested in helping be involved somehow, there are lots of committees, and you don't need to go to meetings. You can just be involved in various events, especially in the fundraising. So thank you very much.
Exciting time.